What's up, y'all? How you doing? Hope you have an amazing day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever it is by you. And comment down below what you think of my videos recently and how should I improve them so I can get better and grow and start to do fun stuff, you know? Comment down below. Love you guys all and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Can't speak anymore. Nice calls. Peace. Michigan, my friends. They said it was Sunday and guess what? It's snowing. Welcome to Michigan. What can I say? So yeah, now I'm in the back. But I don't want to expose nobody, but yeah, man. Cars getting declined. Really? Can't judge, bro. Can't judge. Some people like have both of the cars. Some have money, some don't, and some don't. It is what it is, man. Can't judge. Hey, you ready? You ready? Hey, let's go! Reloading. Hey, take cover. I need cover. Bro, Michigan is built different. I don't care what nobody says. But Michigan is built different. Like, God, boy, why is it snowing in the middle, in the beginning of the March? It's March 3rd. March 3rd, 2023. Why is it snowing, man? Can we have the sun? Can we have, like, spring, summer? Please? Like, God, please? Like, I love snow, but I hate when I'm being sick. I love relaxing. When during the snow time, whenever it's snow rain, I love relaxing, not working. Like, jeez, boy. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know. So, yeah. I'm just on the car up, so the battery doesn't freeze up because it's snowing a lot. And look, I'm sure. Damn line. Look at this. I'm just out of the car. Oh, look. God. Why is it so bad? Yes, I work at McDonald's. Again. So yeah, but why is it so bad? Please, like, for the love of God. Also, love you guys all, and make sure to comment down below if it is snowing by you or not, and how can I improve the videos. Thank you. Oh, by the way, the lights turned up for a little bit on the McDonald's. In McDonald's, and they turned back on. But the machines said like, some of them are still not working, except for the second window. So yeah. They said if it turns off, we can either go home or go to a different store, which I'm not gonna go to no different stores. So screw that, I would go home. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys later when something fun happens. Okay, so I'm going back right now. I'm walking. I almost slipped back there. So hopefully we don't slip. Yeah, we're going back in the Oh shit. I should not be recording and walking. Yeah, let me let it real quick. It's cold. My hands it's frozen because I was cleaning the window. But yeah, something fun I have to get in. Literally, there's a fire or something happening. I'm going for my safety. This road's so slippery, I almost crashed 2 times. There's a fire. Green light, what the fuck? There's DTE, police, firefighter over here. Like a green smoke. I think the turbo, whatever you call it, that connected to the electricity and the wires. You know, the white thingy, the white tube. I don't know the name of it. Don't judge, right? But yeah, don't judge. real guys. I think it exploded or something. Don't. My car trying to slip. Take my fool. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that's weird. Go, I don't want to go and hit you. Go. Stay safe, y'all. Oh, what the hell? But no, honestly, for stay safe. The roads are crazy. Stay safe if you're driving. Hopefully it starts and it melts all. But stay safe. I almost got in the car accident twice. It wasn't my fault, and it's not the other person's fault. That's why I started recording. So if anything happens, I have a recording. See, the wire are down. You see that it was on the left side. Yeah, the wires are down. So chill out, y'all. Don't make a big deal, don't make a lie. Anyway, so yeah, work. It got kind of busy, but it was alright. Not bad, you know. And yeah, stay warm. If you're in the house, open up your heater. If you don't have power, I feel bad for you. Honestly, no, honestly. I feel bad for you. Because I know I've getting notifications that some people don't have power, and in this weather, oh damn! Like I really pray for them that the power come back. And yeah, if it's boring, I'm sorry guys. I don't mean to make it boring, but I'm boring, and I gotta put it on YouTube. But anything happens, and yeah. Then if you saw them smoke, yeah, that's when I started recording, when I started smoke. Oh my God. So yeah, may God protect you all from this kind of weather. And I pray for all of you to stay safe, stay healthy, and I pray for everyone that was affected in the power out. Me trying to go home, trying to take a shower. What the fuck did you pop? I heard something pop. But yeah, work was fun, but it was boring because the power. It was fun. The power went off, but if the power, like I said before, if the power was off, I had to go to the store. I'm not gonna go to the store because I know what store they want me to put me in. They want me to be in. And I'm not gonna be in that store. Yeah, and I'm not gonna say which store. Push through, push. Baby girl, push. I can't see anything because my window does not want to roll down because it's frozen. I don't know if the car's coming in or not. So I'm using a phone camera to look. It's a good thing I did. Don't drive fast. If you've seen this and laughing, I really hope you're really enjoying it. I don't even know what to talk about. If you're laughing, that is a good thing. If you enjoy the video, that's what we want. I don't care about them. I'm so sorry, guys and girls, that this boring is weird. If you hear me saying, I don't care about this guy. I'm trying to make it home and sleep. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go home and relax. I got work tomorrow at 2 o'clock. I gotta sleep. Oh my god. Clean this street. This street. Push. Give birth. If you don't know where that comes from, then I feel bad for you. It comes from H2O, delirious. From hilarious. Hey guys, I made it home. I took a good shower, and right now I'm cleaning my room. I'm about to watch some random ass videos. I'm not even sure. Might watch Teen Wolf and Hulu, Lucifer. I might rewatch Lucifer again on Netflix, or Face Rug. Bro, that's on YouTube. I'm not sure. Yeah, honestly, not sure. So, but yeah. Anyways, if you made it far, I really hope that you really enjoyed. Oh my god, I can't even speak English somewhat. I'm going back to Arabic. This is the last time speaking English. Okay. Take 3. Anyways, I really hope that you enjoy watching the video. And I'm sorry for messing up. No, I really don't. I don't care. We all mess up. I really honestly don't care. But I hope you enjoy the video. Like really enjoy watching the video. And if you made this far, comment down below. YOLO. YOLO. Yeah. Peace.